Who says the MACD is no longer making money in 2025? I just closed the deal in plus and I will show you right now how you can do it. I have read it and now you will also see one simple indicator that can turn into a real profit if used correctly. No one is shooting this scheme, but today I will put it in few steps. You want to see the full analysis? Then please like, write a comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to receive ready-made signals every day and not worry, then fly to my Telegram channel and the link is already given in the description and we are waiting for you. There will be no time to waste. We will switch to the platform itself. Here we are on the platform. Let's start setting up in the right way. First, you need to put the candles in the chart types. Then the candle time period is 1 minute. Now we turn to the indicator themselves. You need to turn on the MACD. You can see the settings on the screen. Time frame 30 minutes and I will trade on the AUD CAD OTC today. It has a profit margin of 87% and we are betting the transaction amount in $200. The transaction time is 30 seconds. And now let's start our trading session. My first attempt to raise Australian dollars and Canadian dollars at the lowest point of the pullback. I saw how the price touched the support level, plus the MACD showed a bottom up intersection, which is a clear entry signal. Is there, and now the first deal is coming to an end and I am making a profit of $374 and we continue. I always go for a pullback after an impulse movement and this is the basic pattern. Here the support level plus divergence on the MACD means that the buyers are starting to put pressure. I enter the increase at the minimum correction and expect my profit. In general, I expected, friends, plus $699 in my balance, you can see, with the second transaction. We will be finishing up soon and so let's go on. Every day my subscribers make a profit based on my signals and strategies. If you want to become the one of them, then go to my Telegram via the link in the description and start earning today. We return to the schedule again and I open the last deal for an increase in the amount of $699 since I just waited for the price to touch plus divergence level on the MACD and took a pullback entry after the impulse movement. In front of your eyes, all the deals are closed in the plus. The last one bought me $1,307. It's such a great results for today, friends. The MACD is still relevant in 2025 and that's how I made a profit right now in front of your eyes. If you also want to trade using the same signals and withdraw money from the market, then everything is already waiting for you in my Telegram channel. I share working strategies, free signals and deal reviews every day. The link is given in the description, so join my team while the access is open.